drowning in paperwork and spending countless hours on payroll instead of growing your business. Let's explore why Gusto is the secret weapon small businesses are using to reclaim their time and sanity by taking a deep dive into its key features. First up, the user interface. Gusto's platform is incredibly user-friendly. Everything is clearly labeled, making navigation a breeze. Even if you're not a payroll expert visually, the smooth design will ensure you know where you are going, so you can easily find what you need on the platform. Gusto is so much more than just payroll. It's your all-in-one HR solution. You have payroll processing, benefits administration, HR tools, time tracking, and so much more available to you. Imagine using the software to help with employee well-being and engagement tools, all within the same platform. Say goodbye to tax filing headaches. Gusto automates federal, state, and local tax calculations and filings, including W to South and 1099s. Gusto takes on that stress for you, so you can focus on other parts of your business that you enjoy. Gusto seamlessly integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, streamlining your financial workflows. The less switching between programs, the better. With simplified processes, you can save time and make your workflows run smoothly. Gusto empowers you to automate complex tasks, maintain compliance, and gain valuable insights into your workforce. Ultimately, this allows you to shift your focus back to what truly matters: growing your business and serving your customers. Ready to ditch the payroll stress and embrace a simpler solution? Click the link in the description below to explore Gusto and see if it's the right fit for your business. It might just be the best decision you make all year. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful business tips.